Ever wonder how some people manage to make exercise look so effortless and enjoyable? It's not a magic trick or an exclusive club, it's simply a mindset shift. Often we are led to believe that fitness is all about grueling workouts and strict diets. But what if we told you that's just one side of the coin? Exercise doesn't have to be a chore. In fact, it can be one of the most fun and rewarding parts of your day. The secret lies in finding what makes your heart pump with excitement, not just with exertion. When we enjoy our workouts, we are more likely to stick to them, leading to sustained fitness and overall wellness. So let's shake off the misconception that fitness is all sweat and no smiles. Stay tuned to discover some practical tips to inject fun into your workout routine. Ready to transform your workout sessions into a thrilling adventure? Let's dive right into some practical tips to make exercise a blast. First off, variety is the spice of life, and it's no different when it comes to exercise. Don't limit yourself to just one type of workout. Mix it up. Try cycling one day, yoga the next, then maybe a dance class. You'll not only work different muscle groups, but also keep your mind engaged and curious. Next, let's talk about games. Remember how much fun you had playing tag or hopscotch as a kid? Why not incorporate games into your exercise routine? There are numerous fitness games and apps out there that can make your workout feel like play. You'll be so engrossed in the game you won't even realize you're exercising. Now let's talk about the power of music and podcasts. A good beat can help you keep pace, while an interesting podcast can distract you from the exertion of your workout. So, create a playlist of your favorite upbeat tracks or download that podcast series you've been meaning to catch up on, and let them accompany you during your workouts. Finally, consider exercising with friends. Having a workout buddy can make exercise more enjoyable and even a little competitive. Plus, it's a great way to stay accountable and motivated. But remember, the most important thing is to find what works for you. Maybe it's a combination of these tips, or perhaps it's something entirely different. It could be exercising outdoors, trying a new sport, or even joining a fitness challenge. Whatever it is, if it gets you moving and keeps you excited, then it's right for you. So, give these tips a go and let the fun begin. After all, exercise shouldn't be a chore, it should be an exciting part of your day. And who knows, you might just find yourself looking forward to your next workout. Remember, the key is to find what works for you and stick with it. Because when exercise is fun, it's not just good for your body, it's also good for your soul. Let's turn exercise into a thrilling adventure. Ever wondered why making exercise enjoyable matters so much? Well, let's dive into that. When you have fun during your workouts, it becomes less of a chore and more of a hobby. You look forward to it, and that's where consistency comes in. The more consistent you are, the more visible and long-lasting your results will be. But the benefits don't stop at the physical. Lacing up your trainers for a fun run or getting into a groove in a dance class can significantly improve your mental health. It's a natural mood enhancer, a stress buster, and an anxiety reliever. And let's not forget about energy. A fun workout can rev up your engines, leaving you feeling charged and ready to tackle the day. Combine all these elements and you get better physical health overall. So, the equation is simple. Enjoyable workouts equal multiple benefits. The more you enjoy your workouts, the more benefits you'll reap. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. We've explored the fun side of fitness, unmasking the joy that lies within the sweat and effort. We've discovered that fitness isn't just about lifting weights and running endless miles, but about finding activities that spark joy and enthusiasm in our life. We've also dived into some practical tips to make exercise exciting. Whether it's dancing to your favorite tunes, playing a sport you love, or exploring the great outdoors, there are countless ways to make your workouts feel less like a chore and more like a treat. We've underscored the benefits of enjoyable workouts, highlighting how they can boost your mood, enhance your energy levels, and make you more likely to stick to your fitness routine. So as we wrap up, let's remember the essence of our discussion. Fitness isn't a destination, it's a journey. Make it a fun one.